I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. I'm here with Greg today. I'm going to show you how to install a WFK 2110-66. Greg, what is it? What's the fit?
This is the Beltline kit. It fits a 1966 to 1977 Ford Bronco.
Now this is a 4-piece kit, so it'll do both doors. Check our website for complete make, model, year information. Let's get started.
These are the tools you need for this project.
This is our R&D door. Obviously it's missing some parts here, the window crank, the door panel. We don't have those parts. First thing you're going to do though is take off the belt lines. All right, even though this is our R&D door, we went on ahead and taped off the door to protect the paint, which we would suggest you guys doing at home. Now Greg's going to go ahead, take the Weatherstrip installation tool, and what he's doing is pulling the belt away from the body and kind of lifting up on it a little bit. What this does is releases the clip from the hole in the actual door itself. Same thing for the outer belt line here. Now there's going to be, the belt lines are similar left to right, but there's a cutout area here, and that's going to go behind the vent window on both the inner and the outer. As you can see, Greg has the part tilted upside down, but we're showing you that these clips will line up with these holes, and that's what holds it together. All right, Greg. Okay, now for the inner. It's the exact same way as we did the outer, but this time we're going to show you that you need to remove the liner of the tape, which we did on the outer. This is so you can see a little bit better. Same way here, Greg is going to push it forward into the vent until that front clip lines up with that front hole. And this one will go behind the glass run. All right, now we got the belt lines fully seated. We're going to go ahead and cycle the glass up and down to make sure everything fits correctly. Okay, everything looks to line up. Okay, bring it back down, Greg. Everything's working good, and you're done.